This week on Lindiorslife. Hey y'all! Welcome to the vlog. This is another day in my life. But today is St. Patrick's Day. Woo! And the girls are going outside. I said I wasn't going to drink in March, but I love a good bar crawl. I can't lie. The St. Patty's Day bar crawl is so fun. So, you know, I fell into the peer pressure, but I still had to get my work done beforehand. I did my 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, and now I'm about to go to Walgreens because I'm hosting a pregame. Little small thing, nothing too crazy. But if you know me, you know I gotta have something for the people. So I'm going to Walgreens real quick because one, I want like some electrolytes or liquid IV or something because I'm not trying to be drunk or hungover or nothing like that. I'm trying to keep it cute. So I'm gonna get that, and then I want to get a couple little snacks, and I want to get some orange juice because my pregame has no liquor. I'm not doing liquor this time. Just a little champagne, a little wine, a little mimosas, you know the vibes. So that's how I'm popping in the Walgreens real quick to get, and then I need to get home. I have to tidy up a little bit, and I need to get ready myself because it is now about to be 1 o'clock. And I told these people they could come at 2. I definitely need to hurry up, so let's go. Y'all, I got 15 minutes, literally 15 minutes before the pregame at my house is supposed to start. And I don't know why I always do this. I don't know why I be inviting people to my home and I don't be ready. But honestly, I'm gonna have to cut it out and start doing this because the way I've been running around this house today, or really just running around today, has just been been a lot. But I'm dedicated to at least having my makeup done by the time they get here, because I think that's good enough. And then I can do my hair and everything whilst the party commences. It's just a couple friends though, that's the thing. Like, I guess if it was bigger thing, you know what I mean, like multiple people I don't know, then yeah, I would have attempted to be more serious about this timeline, but it's okay. I have my clothes on. I'm doing the same makeup look I always do. I was honestly, and I'm thinking like it's either lashes or nails, and I think the answer is nails. So I'm gonna just try to do some thick mascara, and then when they get here, I'm gonna have to put my press-ons on because I can't be outside in these nubs. Can't do it, won't do it, okay? So I need to just calm down, but be swift, because as long as my makeup is done by the time they get here, all I need to do is curl my hair and lay this lace, which don't take forever, and I could be I could attempt to be a host in the midst of that, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm going to have to do. I didn't even get to fully eat, so that's the other thing I need to do. Oh my gosh, and I left my water out there. I got electrolyte water because drinking has just become so much of a chore for me these days. Like, my body doesn't really like it, so I haven't really been doing it. But it's a bar crawl, so alcohol will be consumed and we pre-gaming. So I'm like, okay, let me actually try to prevent my body from hating me tomorrow morning. Because usually I just vibe, but I've come to the age where I can't vibe no more. I've come to the realization that I, Lindy, at 27, cannot vibe anymore. I have to get serious. Is it? Okay, yeah, probably like right there. And see, this is why I love underpainting, because my face looks done. But with Juvia's, you gotta be careful. Not too much, not too much. 9 minutes. I can have my face done in 9 minutes, I think. Right? Right, guys? Honestly, y'all, don't be like me. Wake up on time and start your day on time. Don't be like Lindy. Honestly, if my under eye creased, oh well, because I'm only doing what I can do. If this lace isn't like, you know, flat or whatever, I'm gonna turn this into a side park swoop and call it a day. But I at least need it to be laid down for right now. And I need to at least eat that eggs and bacon before I leave the house. And I want to drink that whole thing of stuff that and I wish I brought it in here. I want it to be on the eyes and everything. And honestly, if my face looks crazy, I literally don't care. Like, I tried. Fenty Glow. My face is done. That literally took me 10 minutes. Nobody's here yet, so I'm about to start doing my hair. My nails will be the last thing I do. They're press-ons. I can do that and, you know, mingle or whatever. Of what I, like, legitimately, this has been a crazy morning. But it's all right, it's okay. We're making it happen. The little bar crawl will be fun. If y'all from Charlotte and you're gonna be at the bar crawl, oh my God, like, we might see each other. The face is done. And I got the press-ons. Hair's about to get done. By 2:30, I'm definitely gonna be done. And that'll be probably when we're leaving. Okay. This little curl doesn't look very good, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Nigga still ain't here. Ooh, I'm up. Y'all, I'm ready and it's 2:28. Get into it. I mean, oh, I actually have to fix my hair, sorry. Not ready, but ready. And that's what matters. Cheers! Y'all, we're on the way. How many places to get to? The first place, mind you, y'all, it's a bar crawl. So the first place, Tequila House. We want to, what's our goal? Do we want to shoot for 5?
I think we should get like 5, 6.
Okay, we're gonna shoot for, let's say we're shooting for 6.
6. We're shooting for 6. I feel like we'll be really successful at 6.
Exactly. So we're shooting for 6. We're heading to our first one. Yes. We did drink before.
We had about 2 shots. And a drink.
Yeah.
And a drink.
And like 2 drinks. So we're gonna see how far we get. So this is us at no places but 2 shots. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
It's an interception. You think I give a fuck? That's a misconception. I'm fire. So what? I'm high. I said, oh what? I died.
Just left the first location.
Period. First location done. We're doing good. We're doing good. Yeah, I'm feeling good. I feel like we're still up. We want to go to Sip, we want to go to Imperial, and we want to go to Taxis and Booze. So we got 3 locations to go to.
Oh, this is number 3, 2.
2. It's number 2. This is us after the first spot.
Or number 2.
Are we going to Sip? Let's go to Sip.
And then we're going to Imperial.
And then we're going to Tattoos. Period. We're waiting in line. This is us after the second spot, going to the 3rd spot. Feel good? We're alive still, amen? We're up. I'm about to take it. There's a video. Why is it so hard? Where are we at? We're at Taxis and Booze. This is the 4th spot. This is the 4th spot? This is the 4th spot. This is my drink. We're up. We're not down at all.